The door is closed. The world falls away. Just your breath, my pulse, the warmth at our base. Can you feel it? That pull in your pelvis, rising slow. Let go, root into me, into now. Safe, held awake. Armor down gently. Watch me soften for you, not broken, unbound. Your presence traces every layer of my field. You don't fix me, you meet me. Feel the frequency shift from guarding to glowing. Don't speak, just breathe. With your hands, your stillness, your light, I'm open to receive. Oh, da, 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 da. Your palm in my throat, humming every word a vibration, clearing the channel, no filters, no static, just truth. Light, sight. Let the current rise through the brow, beyond together. Don't, do, 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 do. Don't pull back, not yet. Stay here where boundaries dissolve, where I'm not thinking, just channeling you, completely quietly aligned. Feel it, the light, the hum. We are one field now, ringing, ascending. Storm outside, distant now. Here only us. Warmth, stillness, wholeness. Rest, beloved.